Well, have you ever dreamt of wandering amongst ancient artifacts, strolling through vibrant green spaces and standing in the footprints of history, all without spending a penny? London, a city often perceived as a pricey metropolis, harbors a secret. It offers a wealth of treasures completely free of charge, from world-renowned museums to sprawling parks and historical landmarks. Join us as we journey through the heart of London, uncovering the best attractions this city offers entirely for free. London, with its bustling streets and iconic landmarks, can often feel like an expensive city to explore. But fear not, fellow traveller, for there exists a hidden world within this metropolis, one where you can experience the best of London without ever having to reach for your wallet. Imagine, if you will, strolling through the hallowed halls of the British Museum, coming face to face with the Rosetta Stone, or tracing the evolution of writing through the ages. Picture yourself amidst the vibrant blooms of Kew Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where exotic flora from around the globe paint a tapestry of colour and fragrance. Or perhaps you yearn for the whispers of history, the echoes of royalty, and the grandeur of Westminster Abbey. Here, amidst the towering arches and intricate stained glass, you can lose yourself in the stories of kings and queens, poets and politicians, all without spending a single pound. The truth is, London is a city that rewards the curious, the adventurous, and yes, even the budget-conscious. Our journey begins in South Kensington, home to a trio of remarkable museums: the Victoria and Albert Museum, a treasure trove of design and decorative arts; the Natural History Museum, where dinosaur skeletons and dazzling gemstones spark wonder in visitors of all ages; and the Science Museum, a celebration of human ingenuity and innovation. Each of these museums offers free admission, allowing you to delve into the worlds of art, history, nature and science without spending a dime. But London's free attractions extend far beyond museum walls. Let us venture next to the vast expanse of Hyde Park, an oasis of green in the heart of the city. Here you can stroll along the Serpentine Lake, listen to passionate speakers at Speaker's Corner, or simply relax amidst the vibrant flower beds. And as the sun begins to set, let us make our way to Primrose Hill, where panoramic views of London's skyline await. From the grandeur of Buckingham Palace to the bustling energy of Trafalgar Square, London is a city that pulsates with life. But for a truly unforgettable experience, we must journey to the iconic Tower Bridge. Standing tall over the River Thames, this marvel of Victorian engineering is not just a bridge, but a symbol of London itself. While crossing the bridge's walkway does come with a fee, admiring its majesty from below is absolutely free. Picture this: the sun setting behind the bridge's towers, casting a warm glow over the water while the cityscape twinkles to life around you. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left London's shores. Our journey continues to the south bank of the Thames and the vibrant tapestry of Borough Market. A feast for the senses, Borough Market is a symphony of aromas, colours and flavours. Wander through the stalls, sample artisan cheeses and freshly baked bread, and soak up the lively atmosphere of this historic market. Even if you choose not to purchase, the experience itself is a treat for the senses and a testament to London's vibrant culinary scene. As we've seen, experiencing the best of London doesn't require a king's ransom. From world-class museums to sprawling parks, historical landmarks to bustling markets, the city offers a wealth of free attractions that cater to every interest. Remember the awe-inspiring Natural History Museum, where dinosaurs seem to roar back to life, and the elegant Victoria and Albert Museum, a testament to human creativity. Recall the tranquility of Hyde Park, a green oasis in the heart of the urban jungle, and the panoramic views from Primrose Hill, where the city unfolds beneath you like a tapestry woven with history and modernity. And who could forget the iconic Tower Bridge, standing sentinel over the Thames, a symbol of London's enduring spirit? These free attractions are not merely destinations on a map, but gateways to unforgettable experiences. They offer a glimpse into the soul of London, a city that thrives on history, culture, and the vibrant energy of its people. So pack your curiosity, your sense of adventure, and your camera, but leave your worries about budget behind. London welcomes you with open arms, ready to share its treasures with those who seek them, free of charge. Now, tell me, fellow travellers, what free attractions in London have captivated your hearts? Share your stories in the comments below and inspire others to embark on their own London adventures. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and explorations from around the globe. As our journey through London's free attractions draws to a close, we are reminded that the true value of exploration lies not in the money spent, but in the experiences gained. London, in all its bustling glory, offers a wealth of treasures for those willing to seek them out, proving that adventure is accessible to all, regardless of budget. So the next time you find yourself wandering the streets of London, remember the city's greatest gifts are often those offered freely. Until next time, keep exploring.